Managing international hires can be a complex and time-consuming task, but with Oyster, it's all streamlined into one simple platform. If you're looking to hire globally, whether it's for remote or hybrid positions, Oyster offers the tools you need to make managing international hires easy. Stay with me till the end because I'll not only walk you through how to use Oyster to simplify your international hiring process, but I'll also tell you how you can access it completely free with some exclusive bonuses. Oyster is designed for companies that need to hire employees from anywhere in the world without dealing with the hassle of local regulations, tax codes, or complex compliance issues. It acts as an employer of record, EOR, which means Oyster essentially becomes your company's local presence in any country where you want to hire. This setup allows you to manage international hires legally and efficiently without the need to set up a local entity. Once you've created your Oyster account, you can start posting jobs and selecting the countries where you want to hire. Oyster's platform takes care of the paperwork, compliance, and payroll processing, allowing you to focus solely on finding the best candidates. You can even onboard new employees seamlessly, ensuring they're compliant with local laws right from day one. One of the key features is the ease of managing employee contracts. Oyster provides you with legally vetted contracts for each country, meaning you don't have to worry about constantly updating them to comply with ever-changing local laws. All you need to do is plug in the details for each new hire, and Oyster generates the proper documentation. Payroll is another big win with Oyster. You won't have to deal with multiple payroll systems or make manual adjustments for international hires. Oyster automates payroll processing, paying employees in their local currency and tax rates, which makes it incredibly easy to ensure timely and accurate payments. Plus, you can track payroll and benefits through the dashboard in real time. Another great feature is their benefits management. Oyster allows you to offer competitive benefits packages tailored to each country your employees are based in. Whether it's health insurance, retirement plans, or other local benefits, Oyster helps you ensure your team is taken care of no matter where they're located. With Oyster, you also have access to a central hub that connects all of your international hires. Whether it's for managing HR processes, updating contracts, or overseeing performance reviews, everything is housed within a single platform. This allows you to scale your business and manage a distributed team without the typical headaches that come with global hiring. If you're wondering about support, Oyster offers exceptional customer service. Their team of experts can help you with anything from navigating complex compliance issues to answering questions about local hiring practices. With Oyster, you're never alone. Now, as promised, you can access Oyster's full suite of features completely free through the first link below. They're offering exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial that gives you plenty of time to test everything out. So if you're ready to simplify how you manage international hires and scale your business globally, Oyster is definitely a tool you want to check out. Make sure you don't miss out on that extended free trial, available only through the link below.